Once this ice is melted, you can see, and I can blow the drain clean, and it should be okay. Sometimes the regulator goes bad too, but in this case I don't think so. It is the regulator. And if you leave the icebox door open, icebox constantly runs, and then it starts freezing up. That's another thing. Or you can block the vents that are in the back with all the packages and meat and food. Then the air don't circulate, and that causes it too. So if you notice, right there is the drain. It's still not open. It's still got some ice. So I'm gonna defrost it some more. Thaw it some more. Now you can see it's pretty good. Let's see. Hold on. Right there it is. It's still got some water and ice on it. You can either use a flexible wire and go through it, or you can blow it. Right there it is. So sometime, food, peas especially, or any other small item just goes through and just block the drain. Okay, I'm going to throw some water over here, and let's see. It's going to go down or not. Let's go in the back. Oh, these are all the places we've been in the RV. Okay, and some more. So this is the back of it, and right here, look at how the tube is clogged. See that? So this tray should get all the water. That's right there. See that? How much water came out. This is what it was. Junk was in there. Now it's all good. All the water came out. Let's clean it first. This is the tube. Look, now the water is coming. See, I just unclogged it, and it should be good as new. You can hook up the tube back in there. You saved a lot of money doing it yourself. It's not hard. It takes time, a couple hours probably.